Anamekelegi, I am greeting you. Anamatu utu, I am giving an offering. Anamaku ugo, I am paying a debt. Asusu Igbo diudota, the Igbo language is sweet. The mama to be beautiful, Ishama to beautify, Ishotama to find beauty. Kaimuta Igbo ta, let us learn Igbo today. Itu mama to give thanks, remember to do good. The huma to see goodness. Asusu Igbo diuto, the Igbo language is sweet. Mama, to be beautiful, Ishama, to beautify, Ishotama, to find beauty. Kaimuta Igbo ta, let us learn Igbo today. To mama, we give thanks, remember to do good. To see goodness. Asusu Igbo diuto, the Igbo language is sweet. Let us learn Igbo today.